welcome to my channel, Craft Away with May. May, hi guys, old and new, especially my new, hello, and especially my old, hello lovies. I love you guys so much. I just wanted to jump on before the year end because I have not been on here I think since February. So I just wanted to come on here and thank you guys for an awesome year. I am enjoying my YouTube journey. I am enjoying that you guys are taking a ride with me. My heart is smiling. It's just inside out. I can't believe it. I absolutely just cannot believe it. So I wanted to just jump on here and say hello lovies. Thank you. Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you stopping by to hang out with your girl. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I appreciate each and every one of you. All right, so today guys, I have a special video, something different for me. I've never done it on my channel before. So a few videos ago, someone had requested that I do tablescapes. So I've never done them before, and my table is kind of like really meh. And my sister, I did share a few clips of her home with you. She was so gracious enough to allow me to practice on her table, guys. So just be gentle with me and know that I have no idea what I'm doing. But we're gonna figure it out. We're gonna see how it goes. And I don't even know if I could do her table any justice because it was so pretty when I walked in. I started playing with the little train on the tree. Like, it was just all the things. So but yeah, and most of the things that I have, guys, is going to come from the Dollar Tree. I think I picked up a few things at Michael's and Hobby Lobby, but I think for the most part they're going to be coming from Dollar Tree. Okay, so just know that. So it's going to be very budget friendly. Even if I went to Michael's, y'all know, and wherever else I go, it's gonna be budget friendly, y'all. Y'all know we ain't breaking the bank for anybody on this channel. So yeah, so and also if you guys want to see me do more in-person intros, I don't really do them because I don't really like being in front of the camera. Like, that's just not my jam. And because sometimes I just might scare y'all if I get on here, you know, because sometimes after that crafting, it's a whole other ball game, y'all. But no, I just tend to run my mouth as I'm doing here right now. And this is just because I haven't done this in so long, guys. And I just wanted to come on and say thank you so much. I appreciate you guys so much. You have no idea how much I appreciate you guys. But I am going to stop running my mouth so we can jump into this and get the ball rolling, because I don't want to be, taking up her space too much of her space for too much time. And yeah, so guys, don't forget, if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, hitting that notification bell just so you know every time I upload a video. And also leave me those comments, baby, because you know how much I love to chat with you guys after each and every video. So all right, here we go, guys. Wish me luck. Thank you for stopping by to hang out with me. Mwah. All right, guys, here we go. So I'm going to be using this blurry or fuzzy table runner that I picked up off of Amazon, and I'm going to have two side pieces that I did pick up from Michael's. I just thought this would be super unique to have this little bit of spacing between the table runner and these two separate furry little placemats. They're not placemats, but that's what I'm going to call them. And I picked them up in the arts and crafts section at for kids at Michael's. So I won't be doing a whole lot of talking, guys. I'm just going to share where a few things are, the things that I didn't pick up from Dollar Tree. You guys will identify the ones that I did pick up. I'm almost certain of it, but I will share a little bit about those. So yes, that's the famous rectangle shaped charger from Dollar Tree. I actually did something with this in the fall, which turned out absolutely gorgeous, guys, and I'm just centering it. Next, I'm going to be using this centerpiece that I also did a video on. It does say happy birthday Jesus. Now, I will admit to you guys that this Tablescape did need more greenery in it, but I didn't trust myself with the florals, so just know that, okay? And remember, guys, to be gentle. And I know there was opportunities here, but I have to say the end result did come out very nice, very clean, very chic. So I'm laying down these pine picks that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I'm just arranging them because, like I said, it did need a little bit of color, and I thought this would probably be enough for that. But at the end, I do feel like it still needed just a little bit more. I am taking some flowers that I picked up from Michael's, and I'm going to cover the stem of those pine picks with those. I kind of tucked them into the fur, but you can still see just a little bit, which I wasn't totally against. But this is what it looks like once I covered it. And forgive the shots, guys. I didn't really know how to set up the camera, and it was too much to try and move it back and forth and all this. So, but you guys will get a full run of the final reveal because that's the majority of the video. When I get to that part, like, I'm really gonna let you guys see everything that happened. And I'm taking these candles and candlesticks holders. I picked those up from Dollar Tree, and what you see I'm doing here is one of them, like the inside of it was a little bit wider than the other one, not sure why, but I'm just burning the bottom of the candle to melt that wax, and then I hold it down for a few seconds to let it adhere, and that works perfectly. Now, if this should happen during the summer months, you probably wouldn't get the same results. They also have these awesome nutcracker candles. Oh, I just love them. They were so cute. First time seeing them at Dollar Tree, and I just wish they had a base to them. But either way, it was still very nice. I absolutely love them. And what you see I'm doing here is now I'm just going in with a little bit of filler using some ornaments from Dollar Tree, and I think nope, all of the ornaments did come from Dollar Tree, and that's what you see me doing here. Those little candlestick reindeers, those also came from Dollar Tree. I was really surprised. They look very high end, very chic. I'm taking one of the little star tea light candles. It does have the gold topping to it. I'm going to place that inside of that reindeer candle piece. And I love the way that lights up. It was such a beautiful lighting. So they definitely upgraded their tea lights. I haven't bought them in a long time because they were just, it was a hit and miss with them on several purchases, so it was just not worth my money to keep spending to get them. I painted this Merry Christmas piece off camera, of course, and I thought it would tie very well into this display. I also had another one that I painted, and I think I'm going to show it in a little bit here, but it's going to be two-sided, so that way should anybody if you recreate this, you will have that Merry Christmas, just a different version of it on either side of the Tablescape. And I really love this, how it comes out. And this is pretty much it, guys. I know it's basic. I know you didn't get to see the full around me displaying it from every angle, or designing it from every angle rather, but I promise I will show you full 360 degree angle views. It's 360 view. What is it? 360. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. Don't go around the table. There it is, the lighting of the candles. I'm also going to show you guys a display of her three wise men, which I thought was absolutely gorgeous. That's me. We made it, y'all. Of her three men wise men display. I thought was absolutely stunning. It came with the frankincense and myrrh and all of that. It was just absolutely gorgeous. So I will be showing you guys this with the lights out as well as with the lights on. And just know that this is probably it's going to be a little lengthy because I want to show you guys every angle and all of that. So thanks, lovies, for riding with me. Oh, I did this. I put this in the chair. I created that mason jar some videos ago too. I think I did that for the Christmas in July, if I'm not mistaken. But she had this chair sitting there, and I thought that would be very cute to have that sitting in the chair along with that cute little house. And absolutely, guys, I absolutely love this for my first run. So definitely, if I do one of these again, I know what to do, and I'll just keep learning. I'll just keep doing it. But here it is, guys, the three wise men. I thought this was absolutely beautiful. I'm so grateful she allowed me to come into her space and practice and do this. But you guys have to let me know what you think. I welcome all feedback, but again, guys, be gentle. Just remember it is my first time, okay? Lovies, if you're still here taking the ride with me, I just want to thank you so much. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video today, and I hope you got some inspiration from it. If you have, please consider, guys, if you haven't done so already, please consider subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. And just know those comments are always desired. Never ever are they required, because I absolutely love to chat with you guys after each and every video. So guys, remember to let me know if you have a favorite. What should I do next? If you want to see me do another tablescape or something like that. But share your thoughts with me, guys. You guys have been so vocal, and I appreciate it. The feedback, I love it, because it helps me to give you guys the content you really want to see. And I want you guys to stick around as long as possible to hang out with me. So I definitely want to give you something to come back for. To look forward to, as well as I don't want to waste you guys' time. So yeah, so with all that being said, lovies, I hope you have a happy holiday. I will be back with another video. I think I'm gonna have 2 more videos after this, and we'll be wrapping up the Christmas season, preparing for winter and Valentine's Day. So Merry Christmas, lovies. Be safe, be kind. Until the next video, hugs and kisses. Bye.